Howdy guys, I'm back in the Wicklow Mountains. Today I'm going to show you how to have a hot shower using an old 5 litre plastic bottle. And the first thing we do is we cut the bottom halfway across as an opening. And then I'm going to put a couple of holes in the side. So we can attach a handle. Now if you have a bit of cord, that's fine. I just have some pine root. So we end up with this. And then we have to cut the lid. Or in my case, I'm going to burn some holes in the lid. Now you've got to put these in just the right place. This is what we're aiming for. See, can you see that? So a little slot in the lid. There we go, fill it with water. Well, while I'm getting the water, we're going to put some rocks on the fire. Small enough to fit in the opening of the bottle, of course. Also makes it very handy to carry. If you've cut your lid correctly, it shouldn't leak. The odd drip, I think that's coming down the sides. Okay, so the rocks are good and hot now, so now we gotta transfer them into the bottle. Here it is. It's shower time. Here we go. Oh yes. Ah. Oh, it's nearly too hot. Ah. Of course we've got suds. This little windbreak is working great too. There's a nasty breeze blowing this way, and it blocks it just enough. I'll keep an eye on the water level. That was a proper hot shower. If you think that's good, why don't you see the next video? I'm going for a hot bath. Subscribe, don't miss that one. See you guys. Woo.